Okay, hi everybody. I am videotaping this because in some cases I need to move things around so you can see the particular features. This is having to do with the chordate lab. I know I told everyone to take pictures of everything that was on the tables, but I just wanted to make sure that we were going through all the exercises that you're supposed to do for the chordate lab. This one is a Amphioxus. This is a very simple organism, and what they want you to see is like the basic features of the organism. You can see that there is a mouth region. You can see that there's little segments, and they want you to just like see that it has some of the basic chordate features. It's hard to focus on that. Then the next one is a Chordata. This is a tunicate. So a tunicate has the features shown in the drawing. Let me turn it around so it's looking more like the drawing itself. So incurrent and excurrent siphon, you have the gill slits, etc. Notice that it really doesn't look like much. We talked about this in class. On the board, however, is a tunicate larva. You can see that the tunicate larva does have some of the features of the chordata. So name those features. All right, the next part is looking at hagfish. Hagfish are very simple organisms. I'm just holding it up so perhaps you can see some of the features. In the lab book, they have it drawn out for you, but here you can maybe see the mouth, the head region. This one is a lamprey. Again, I'm gonna just hold it so you can possibly see some of these features of the organism. All right. The next part of the lab was looking at a cartilaginous or chondrichthyes. This is a skate, and I'm just showing you kind of the overlook of what that would look like. Back over here, we are looking at skates and stingrays. This is a skate also. You can see perhaps some of the features of a cartilaginous fish. Notice this is a shark skeleton. All of that is cartilage there, except for the jaw, which is somewhat ossified. And then you have bony fish. This is a bony fish, just looking at the features there. You can see the operculum, the scales, fins, ray fins, etc. And this is also a bony fish. A little better view. You can see the internal skeleton there. And then looking at an amphibia, this is looking at their bony structure. Notice the webbed feet, strong hind legs there. This is the embryonic, or the development from the tadpole to the adult of a frog. And over here is reptilia. You all know snakes. They shed their skin. This is a turtle skeleton. All right, so just so you can see some of the features. And also a bird skeleton. And you might remember looking at this in Core 1. You can see some of the features of an organism that flies. You can see the wing clearly there, the sternum, the clavicle.